Hey, guys! It's your favorite reviewer here with another video to help you level up your side hustle game. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make passive income on Amazon, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Who doesn't love Amazon, right? From next day shipping to endless product options, Amazon has become a household name. But did you know you can actually make money on this platform without even selling your own products? Yeah, you heard me right. So, grab a pen and paper, take notes, and let's dive in. The first way to make passive income on Amazon is through Amazon Associates, also known as their affiliate program. This program allows you to earn a commission on products that you promote through your unique affiliate link. So, for example, if you're a beauty guru and you promote a lipstick on your channel with an Amazon affiliate link and someone clicks on that link and buys the lipstick, you'll earn a commission from that sale. Another way to make passive income on Amazon is through Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is a platform that allows you to complete small tasks, such as surveys or data entry, and get paid for it. It may not make you rich overnight, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. And finally, you can also make passive income on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing. This platform allows you to self-publish your own ebooks on Amazon and earn royalties on every sale. If you have a passion for writing and want to share your expertise with the world, this is a great way to do it. So there you have it, folks. 3 easy ways to make passive income on Amazon. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or just someone looking to earn some extra cash, there's something for everyone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and as always, thank you for watching.